Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Namma and you're watching Namma's Creation. In today's video, I'm going to share a very easy, quick, healthy recipe of watermelon. So watermelon mojito, watermelon punch as well as watermelon juice recipe. So hope you like this video. If you do, then don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button to get notified whenever I post my videos. So without wasting my time, let's get started with our video. So let's get started. So for making our juices, first of all cut your watermelon in half. So you can use your normal method for cutting and taking out its fleshes, but I want its skull to in a proper manner, so therefore I'm cutting like this. I'm just adding some crisscross on my watermelon, and then using a spoon I'm scooping it out. So take out all the fleshes and then make sure that you de-seed your watermelon. If you are using grinder to take out your juice, but if you are using juicer, then you cannot take out its seed as well and it would work. So my skull looks something like this, and so let's make our juice. So for making our juice, I'm adding my watermelon in the grinder, and with the measuring cup it's completely 3 cups of watermelon. So here goes my second and my third cup of watermelon, which also contains some juices which were extracted while scraping the fleshes and while de-seeding it. Now we are going to grind it, and make sure that you, after grinding it, you strain it to get proper market like taste. And once again I am remembering you that please strain it and please de-seed it if you don't want it to be taste bitter. So now take a glass jug, anything, and then add a few lemon slices in it. So this process is for making mojito, but if you want to make normal punch or juice, then if you want to make juice, then normally add some lemon juices in it and then sugar. And if you want to make punch, then also, but it also have something different. But if you want to make mojito, then you have to do this step: add some lemon juice, I mean sliced lemon, and then add 2 tablespoons of sugar in it and 1/8 tablespoon of black salt or pink salt, just for some flavor. You can skip it as well. And then using pestle using a pestle, we are going to muddle it. I'm using here rolling pin. You can use but use pestle here. Now muddle it. At this point you can also add your mint leaves, but I'm not adding because I don't like it at this adding my mint leaves at this point. So once you have muddled it, I having my strained juice in it. We are going to add our sugar mixture which we have prepared. I added some watermelon juice in it so that my sugar melts faster. So add it in your juice which we have prepared, and then give it a nice mix so that the sugar melts. And then our watermelon juice is ready, but I'm making it mojito, so therefore I'm adding half cup of club soda. So your punch is ready. You can garnish it with some mint leaf, and don't do that muddling part. But since I'm making mojito, so therefore I have muddled it, and I'm also going to add some mint leaf. So here I have added some chopped mint leaves in it. And now let's serve it, our mojito. So I have served it in these watermelon skulls. As I said you that please save it for later. So now in it I'm going to add some chopped watermelon, and then voila, your watermelon watermelon juice or watermelon mojito is ready. I have garnished it with a mint leaf, and then add your straw, and then just have it. Isn't it look so tempting? Is it? So hope you like this video. If you do, then you have to click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button. Thanks for watching. Bye.